For small business owners, freelancers, and independent contractors, efficiently managing money is not just about crunching numbers. It's about optimizing cash flow, reducing administrative hassle, and providing clients with convenient payment options. In the digital age, relying solely on paper checks or even credit cards can be limiting. This is where the power of automated clearinghouse, ACH payments comes into play. As an accounting software expert, I frequently encounter questions about payment processing capabilities, and one that often comes up regarding popular platforms is, does FreshBooks offer ACH payments? The answer is a definitive yes. FreshBooks does offer ACH payments for its US-based customers. This is a significant feature that empowers FreshBooks users to accept payments directly from their clients' bank accounts, providing a cost-effective and secure alternative to traditional payment methods. Understanding ACH payments. Before diving into how FreshBooks integrates ACH, let's briefly understand what ACH payments are. ACH stands for Automated Clearinghouse. It's an electronic network that facilitates financial transactions in the United States. Essentially, an ACH payment is a direct transfer of funds from one bank account to another, without the need for paper checks, credit cards, or wire transfers. There are two main types of ACH transactions. ACH debits. These are pull transactions, where you, the business owner, initiate a request to pull funds directly from your client's bank account, e.g., for recurring invoices or one-time payments. ACH credits. These are push transactions, where funds are sent from one account to another, e.g., direct deposit for payroll or refunds to customers. FreshBooks primarily facilitates ACH debits for accepting client payments on invoices. Why are ACH payments important for your business? For accounting software users, embracing ACH payments through a platform like FreshBooks offers several compelling advantages. Lower transaction fees. This is often the biggest draw. While credit card processing fees can range from 2.5% to 3.5%, plus a per-transaction fee, ACH payments typically come with significantly lower fees. FreshBooks generally charges a flat 1% fee for ACH bank transfers. For businesses dealing with larger invoice amounts, these savings can add up substantially over time, directly impacting your bottom line. Increased security. ACH transactions are generally more secure than paper checks. Funds are transferred electronically, reducing the risk of checks being lost, stolen, or forged. The ACH network operates under strict security protocols, including encryption and authentication, to protect sensitive financial information. Faster payments, compared to checks, while not instant like some real-time payment methods. ACH payments are significantly faster than waiting for a paper check to be mailed, deposited, and cleared. FreshBooks typically processes ACH payments within 1 to 5 business days, with many completing in 1 to 2 days. This improved speed helps accelerate your cash flow. Ideal for recurring payments. If you have clients on retainer, subscription services, or recurring billing, ACH is an excellent option. Once authorized, payments can be automatically debited on a schedule, ensuring consistent and timely income without requiring your client's active intervention each time. This creates a predictable revenue stream. Convenience for clients. Offering ACH as a payment option provides flexibility for your clients. Many prefer to pay directly from their bank accounts, especially for larger sums, as it avoids credit card limits or accumulating credit card debt. It's a simple and straightforward process for them. Reduced administrative overhead. Automating payment collection via ACH means less time spent on manual invoicing, chasing payments, and reconciling accounts. FreshBooks automatically records these payments, further streamlining your bookkeeping. How FreshBooks integrates ACH payments. FreshBooks makes it straightforward to enable and accept ACH payments. The process typically involves enabling online payments. Within your FreshBooks account, you'll need to set up online payments. FreshBooks often uses its own integrated payment processing, FreshBooks Payments, powered by Stripe, which supports both credit cards and bank transfers, ACH. Selecting ACH on invoices. When you create an invoice, you'll have the option to enable bank transfer, ACH, as a payment method for your US-based clients. You can choose to offer it alongside credit card payments or as the sole online payment option. Client experience. When your client receives the invoice, they will see the option to pay via bank transfer. They will then be prompted to securely connect their bank account, usually by logging into their online banking or providing their account and routing numbers, and authorize the payment. FreshBooks facilitates this secure connection. Automatic recording. Once the payment is processed, FreshBooks automatically marks the invoice as paid and records the transaction, including any associated fees, directly in your accounting records. Important considerations. While FreshBooks ACH integration is highly beneficial, there are a few points to keep in mind. U.S. clients only. As of my last update, FreshBooks Direct ACH payment feature is primarily for transactions within the United States. For international bank transfers, you might need to explore alternative payment gateways or traditional wire transfers. Processing time. While faster than checks, ACH payments are not instant. The funds typically clear within 1 to 5 business days. This is an important detail to communicate to clients and to factor into your cash flow projections. Fees. While lower than credit cards, there is still a per-transaction fee, typically 1%. It's good practice to understand all associated fees for your specific FreshBooks plan and payment gateway setup. Authorization. Proper authorization from your client is crucial for ACH debits. FreshBooks process guides clients through this authorization to ensure compliance and prevent disputes.